Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by charging the unit and readying your area. Plug in and charge about 2 hours until the LED reads full. This prevents mid-session shutdown. Once charged, you remove necklaces or scarves and sit upright with a relaxed, neutral neck. This positions the device correctly. Next, you attach any gel pads or the cloth cover and center the massager under the base of your skull. Make sure the straps are snug but not tight, so the electrodes or nodes maintain good contact without pinching. You now set the mode and fine-tune intensity. Power on and choose the function, pulse, heat, need, or a combined program, because each targets nerves or muscle differently. Start at intensity 1 and increase slowly, pausing to check comfort. This prevents overstimulation. If you use heat, pick about 38 to 42 degrees for effective muscle release, and remember to time sessions, typically 20 to 30 minutes. Once done adjusting, make sure the unit remains centered, and breathe steadily to help the muscles relax while the device works. You finish by powering off, then gently removing the massager and cleaning the contact areas with an alcohol-free wipe to preserve adhesives. Once removed, inspect your skin. If redness persists beyond 1 hour or you feel burning, stop and consult guidance. Replace gel pads if adhesive is weak. If the device won't power, check the battery charge, examine the cable and fuse, and try a reset sequence in the manual. If problems persist, contact customer support for repair or replacement under warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.